If you need to cancel a pending transfer with Arab Jordan Investment Bank in Switzerland, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Gather information. Before initiating the cancellation, collect all relevant information regarding the transfer, including the transaction ID, amount, and date of the transfer. This will help streamline the process. Step 2. Contact customer service. Reach out to the customer service department of Arab Jordan Investment Bank. You can do this via phone, email, or through their online banking platform. Provide them with the details of the pending transfer you wish to cancel. Step 3. Verify your identity. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Request cancellation. Clearly state your request to cancel the pending transfer. Make sure to confirm any cancellation fees or conditions that may apply. Ask for a confirmation of the cancellation once it is processed. Step 5. Check transfer status. After a few hours or as advised by the bank, check the status of the transfer through your online banking account or by contacting customer service again. Ensure that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. In conclusion, following these steps will help you effectively cancel a pending transfer at Arab Jordan Investment Bank. Always keep records of your communication and confirmations for future reference.